Hey friends, let's jump straight into this fantastic song, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts, and we're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down a half step. So let's get into it. So for our intro we're just playing G, F, G power chord to the B flat power chord 2 times, do the B flat another 2 times, and then C, B flat, C, and come up to E flat 2 times, back to the D 2 times. And we do that by 2, so let's do that slowly. Two times there, and that's the intro. And then for our verse we just continue that riff and we do it another 4 times there. So for our chorus we're going to do the G, F, G power chords again, then we wait and then do C, B flat, do that again, C, B flat, then go back to the G, F, G, then we're coming up to the high F and we're going to slide up to G, so play the G again and then just play the low F power chord, repeat that all again, G, F, G, and then we have C, B flat, again, C, B flat, G, F, G. Now to finish off the chorus we're going to play G, F, and then go to a C, and we do that 2 times. So that's guitar 1, let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're just starting with a bend on 13 on the G and hold 11B and do that 2 times. Then we're jumping to 13 on the B and we're going to bend and hold 10E 2 times. Go back to 13 and 11. Then come up to 18 on the B and we're bending and hold 15 on the E, do it 2 times, then another 2. And there are all the parts of the chorus. From there we go back to the verse and that stays exactly the same. Back to the chorus and that stays the same. So for our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end, we have the F power chord slide up to the G, play the G again, we wait, G to a B flat, then play the B flat again, slide up to the C, play the C again, back to the B flat, then we're coming up to the F power chord, the high F, to the G 2 times, back to a low F power chord, and we do that 2 times. The G, B flat up to C, and our F, back to our low F, and then we just go back to the intro 2 times there. That's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. chorus is going to be exactly the same as our previous choruses, except the last part we're going to do 4 times. So our G, F, B, do 4 times. And then to finish, play F, G, G. And that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 stays the same with the fills, and the 13 and the 10, 13 and 11. Now on the 18B, bending, holding the 15E, we're going to do it 2 and then 4 more times. And finish the same F, G, G. And there are all the rhythm parts. Let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to start with a slow bend on the 18th fret on the B string, and we play it 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then slide up to the 15th fret on the A string and bend, slide back down again. And then we're playing the 5th fret D and G, pull off to the 3rd fret D and G. 5th fret A and D, back to 3rd fret on the D and the G. And then G, 3, 5, 3, bend the 5 2 times. Now we're doing a slow release on the 5th fret on the G string 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then bend the 5th fret, pull off to the 3rd, play the 5th fret on the D. Then we're going on the G string 5, 3, open or pull off, so we do it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the 5th fret on the G, play the 3rd fret. Slide up to 14 on the D, play 12 on the G, hammer onto 14 and bend. And then just 14, 12, bend 15 on the B. Play 15, 14, 13, 15 on the G, 12, 15, 12 on the G, hammer and pull off, 15 on the D, back to 12 G, 15 on the D, 15 on the A, 13 on the A, then play the 13 again on the A, hammer onto 15 and bend, release the bend with a pinched harmonic and back to 13. Then we're sliding up to 15 on the B, play 18, E, 15, 18, 15, hammer on pull off, 18 B, back to the 15 on the E, bend the 18, then E, 15, B, 18. This next little lick we're going to do twice, 15, 18, 15 on the B, hammer on pull off, 17 on the G, so 2 times. Then do the 15, 18, 15 again on the B. Bend the 18 on the E. And again, and again. Then we're going to slide up to 13 on the A string and do a bend again. Slide back. We're going to bend the 5th fret on the D and the G. Play the 3rd fret G and B 2 times. Bend the 5th fret D and G, 3rd fret G and B again. Then we play the 5th fret on the G and the B, bend and release, 3rd fret G and B, 5th fret on the D and the G, back to the G and the B, 3rd fret, 5th fret. So. Then on the G string, 3, 5, 3, hammer on pull off, 5D, 3 on the G, and do that again, and play 3 again. Then to finish off we're going to do A string 3, 4, 5 hammer-ons, 3 on the D, then 3, 4, 5 on the D, 3 on the G. Back to the A, 3 hammer on to 5, to the D, 3 hammer on to 5, then do 3, 4, 5, jump to the G, 3, 5, 3, hammer on pull off, to the B, 3, 6, 3, to the E, 3, 6, 3 2 times. 6 on the B, 3 on the E, bend the 6 on the B and play 3 on the G. So slowly. And the last little lick we have, we're going to bend 17 on the G, play 18B, pull off to 15, and play 15E, and we do that 4 times. And just finish with a bend on 17G. And there are all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Strange Ways Guitar Lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.